cracking.
Guys, well, welcome to an exclusive video of me riding the West Coaster at Santa Monica Pier. I couldn't take the GoPro on it when I was I waited in line for like 45 straight minutes, with the GoPro. But as soon as I got to the front of the line, they wouldn't allow it. However, they did say they could allow phones. So I went down all the way back to the exit and got my phone, and then I went back up to the front of the line and then got there from there. So yeah, so here is the video. Alright, here we are on board the West Coaster at Pacific Park. And yeah, alright, here we go. Here we go, straight up the chain lift. OMG. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh. Yippee-ki-yay! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Here comes the turn! Here comes the turn! Whoa! Oh! Oh! There's the parking lot! Whoa! Whoa! There we go! Up the... Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh no! Whoa! Yeah, one more time. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm using a phone instead of a GoPro. They wouldn't allow GoPros, but they could allow phones. So I'm recording this, and hopefully this is going to be there's the American flag, the California flag. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that was awesome. And we're going back into the station. Well, hey, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for riding. I hope to see you in the near future.